Buongiorno, mi chiamo Lee, o forse in italiano Lucio. Sono uno studente americano di italiano. I first began to learn Italian in university, but the lessons and the method were not so good. And so I then found a teacher who uses the nature method, which I found much more helpful. I think the nature method is one of the most effective, if not the most effective ways to learn a language, because you can very quickly gain a large vocabulary and a more natural and stronger knowledge of the grammar, which allows you to more quickly progress to not only speaking but reading. Using this method, I also learned quite well Latin, some Greek, and I had tried to learn French this way, but it is very difficult without a teacher. A teacher is necessary. Buongiorno signore.
Buongiorno a lei, mi dica.
Scusi, dove possiamo trovare una buona gelateria qui vicino?
Ah, ce ne sono diverse. Venga con me, le faccio vedere, venga con me.
Grazie. The teachers were very helpful, and we learned not only many words and many phrases which pertain to everyday life, but also we were able to talk about literature, for example, Dante, Leopardi, all sorts of wonderful poets. Buongiorno, posso prendere un gelato di nocciola? In Italy, there are lots of opportunities to not only speak Italian, but also to walk around, see the mountains, see museums, also with the teachers to practice speaking and to eat with them wonderful Italian food.